Well, here we are again, a bit of an inspiration shot. So much, I mean, it doesn't really look a whole lot different to what it did 5 years ago, but so much has gone into it since then in sporadic efforts, but still. So the fin and the tailplane have been glassed with 3/4 ounce. The elevator and rudder have been recovered. Stripped, the covering stripped, and then every joint inspected and reinforced or repaired if it needed it, and then recovered. What's happened on the front, reshaping because of the damage of the crash. It sort of reshaped the nose, even though it was repaired structurally. It was not an accurate outline, so I had to do some work there. Just putting it together now, it made me realise the importance of the cockpit and canopy, how much of a feature it is to the plane, and how important it will be to get that right in the overall appearance of the model. But yeah, we're still plugging away at it. I have put the servo runs in for the ailerons. Servos for the spoilers are installed. I've yet to glass the ailerons. They're just doped balsas, so they were a bit sort of flexible and split easily. I've repaired the horizontal grain in the webs. So these are horizontal grain as per the Cliff Charlesworth plan, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, I've made the webs all through here vertical grain. Got in as much as I could in behind the spoilers there with more vertical grain doublers. Oh gosh, what else? So much, and there's still more to go. But anyway, that's all part of the fun, isn't it? But it's looking the part.